Okay, so now that you've downloaded Google Earth, we're going to open the program by double-clicking the icon on your desktop. It's going to open up some startup tips. We're going to go ahead and close that for now, but you can refer back to those later if you need additional support. Now, just in the interest of time, we're going to do a quick overview of the park near my home, and then we're going to visit the Apollo 17 launch site. So here on the left-hand side, you'll see tools where you can customize your view. On the right-hand side, you'll see your grabbing tool, your compass, and then your zoom in and zoom out. This is kind of cool. You can either view the planet this way by grabbing it and manipulating your view, or if you have a specific site in mind, you can just type it in the search bar. So we're going to visit Granite Park in El Cajon, because that's the park near my home. So we've typed in our location, and we're going to click search. Now, if you wanted more information about the park, you can click on the little hyperlink here. It gives you the phone number. So this gives us a good view of the neighborhood. What we're going to do, because we want to get a little bit more detail, we're going to go back to our tools here on the right, and we're going to zoom in. So this gives us a great detail on the park. I live on Estes Street here, so we can walk directly from our house. We don't even have to drive to the park. We have our sandy play area, the basketball courts, and the skate park area. One of the favorite things that we like to do in this park is go to the grassy area. They have a lot of soccer games on the weekends, so it's a lot of fun to watch the 5-year-olds play soccer. We have the parking area here in the north corner of the lot, and then the rec center, where they have a lot of different programs available. And that's also our polling spot when we go to vote. So this gives you a good idea of what my neighborhood looks like. You can go ahead and you can use your grabbing tool. You can alter your view a little bit. And then you can also do the street view by grabbing your little orange marker, putting it there in the street. So this gives you real video captured images of my neighborhood. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to switch over to the moon view here at the top. So you're going to click the planet icon and then select moon. This gives us a great view. So each of these red flag markers are important sites. So we're going to go ahead and click on this marker here, which is the Apollo 17 landing site. It gives us some great information about the Apollo 17 mission from 1972. We can use our tools again to zoom in. We're going to grab that area because we want to focus on that Apollo 17 mission. The Apollo 17 mission was 3 days, and each of these little areas give us a little bit more information about that mission. So we can click back on the important information. We can click on the left-hand side on our Apollo missions and go only to Apollo 17, which is great. That helps us, so it pulls up photos taken and video from that mission and then gives us a little bit more information. The two areas that I thought were really interesting were that they had explored over 20 miles of lunar terrain over the 3 days that they were on the moon, and then they brought back 240 pounds of moon material to further study back at home. So that was something that I didn't realize that he had brought so much back. It's a really neat tool. So this will be able to bring a lot of the information to life for your students. So I encourage you to go and play around on here and help them explore, and then definitely feel free to call or email me if you have any questions at all. I hope to talk to you soon.